Which of the following is a correct sequence in biological method? Observation, hypothesis, deduction, experiment. Which one of these is not a characteristic of hypothesis? It must be correct. At which point is a biologist most likely to use reasoning? During hypothesis formation. A hypothesis must be testable to be scientific because only a controlled experiment can indicate. What would be the best experimental design for testing hypothesis that bean plant required sodium? Grow bean plants with and without sodium. Partner ran away on seeing a large snake nearby. He knows that generally snakes sting, so the gardener did which of the following? Used reasoning. A scientific theory has which of the following properties? It goes with available evidence. Experimentation is only a step in the scientific method because it always. Option C.
Thanks for watching and do subscribe.